China! Sorry! I'm in China. I'm currently in Suzhou. And a month ago I was in Beijing. And when we were in Beijing, we did touristic trips. And one of them was climbing the Great Wall. So a month ago I climbed the Great Wall. And part of me still can't believe that I did it. It seems too surreal to be true. So every once in a while I forget that I actually climbed it. And I need to remind myself that I did it by watching videos or watching pictures of it, because it seems like such a big thing that it can't possibly have happened. Yeah, it's just, I can't quite grasp the fact that I did it. I was so close to not actually being able to do it, because I kept going and I managed to make it to the top, and it was really, it's indescribable what kind of feeling you get when you're actually on there and when you're doing the whole climb. So I decided to make a bit of a montage of pictures and videos when I was climbing the wall that I took during the whole climb, if that makes sense. I made a video with and without voiceover, in case you can't stand my voice, or in case you can stand my voice and you miss my incoherent rambles. That's the one to watch. So yeah, I hope you like it, and this is my video. Belgium. I made a little friend. Say hi to my camera. Hello. I'm actually filming. Filming? No, sorry. Are you crazy? Just like from here up there. I'm like, I'll go as far as I can. until I meet a lot of people going down, and I'll go down again. So I nearly fainted earlier, so.
Yeah, me too.
How far did you go?
About halfway.
That one?
Next one.
Next one? Not sure I'll get there.
Parasols and ice cream.
Hi, Tony.
The last one?
No, there's still people down, but they're staying there. No.
3,000 more.
Oh, yay! China, what the fuck? These people keep saying oh. Not sure whether it's because I look like shit. Hi. It smells like shit in here. No, like.
It smells like pee. There's pee in all the windows.
I don't care.
I don't even care anymore.
I don't even care anymore. Just look. It's gorgeous. Yes, I'm coming! This is the last one! I'm totally filming, like bits and pieces. Earlier I forgot to press the record button. I was talking to my camera without it being recording. That was depressing. Oh, we're almost there. Wow. Hi. Very good.
By the time I get back down, I'll have a 6 pack.
But they will have one for you. ImmerQi woods.
Almost there. Almost. We're sweaty, sticky, smelly, but almost there. Look at how pretty it is.
Imagine how pretty it is when we're going down.
Oh my
It's
god.
gonna be amazing.
Yes! Let's go! Almost.
Follow the German on the right way. You don't?
I feel like I don't know. Oh, hold on. The Chinese guys waiting for me. Yes.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Hey guys.
Hey.
We're almost there, don't worry. Only about maybe 10 meters. Come on. Hi. Hi, Julia.
Woo, hi.
So he's like pushing you.
Yeah. Ni hao. Ni hao. We're here.
Can we die now?
Sorry?
We're done now.
Okay, we just got here.
Alright. Go back 10 minutes before we need to.
Huh?
10 minutes before you guys need to make your way down.
Oh, okay.
Bye, Duncan.
Hey, no. We made it! Woo! I'm shaking. Best day ever! Oh my god.